something here's something stretchy. Here's something you can make music with. Something with a phone number on it. Something blue. Something that's longer than my head. Something green and soft, you know. Feel a bit like Jamaica this way.
You know this boogie is for real.
Well, hello there, you beautiful people. My name is Yuri. This is the Magic Sauce channel where we talk a lot about helping you create, build, and share better ideas for the world. And initially started this channel talking about innovation, but it seems a lot of people love these Energizer videos. And the other day I just took out a piece of paper and I wrote down a whole bunch of them, like things I used to do in sessions and stuff. And I thought, why have I not shared these ones with you? And this one's called Seek and Display. It's a nice little fun game, gets people up and moving, particularly if they've been sitting down, maybe you're in a physical space, maybe you're behind the screen, get people away from the screen a bit, look for a bunch of items which you're going to give them in a second. And here's how you play it. You can either give people the instructions or you can just pop this little card up on your screen. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can get your own. I've got a list with 12 items. Of course, you can make these up yourself. You can make, anyway, put up a slide, 12 different items or 10, 15. Number doesn't really matter. You got a bunch of things that they need to go and find. So you tell people that in a moment they're going to see a list of 12 things that they can find. These could be items like a lamp, or these could be things that are more of a descriptor, something that is shiny.
Like my personality.
Once you show the list, they have 120 seconds. That is 2 minutes, people, to find as many of those things on the list as you can. So tell people to get their phone ready. Do a little countdown like 3, 2, 1. You show them the list, take a picture, and off they go, off they run. Now, like I said, you could be very creative with the things that they can find. You can find really basic items around the house, like a spoon and a mug and a photo frame. You can make it a bit more cryptic, like something that is cryptic, something that reminds you of Batman. I'm Batman. Or you can pull together a list with things that are related to the topic that you are working on. Maybe that's fun. It's up to you. You can be as creative as you want. So they've gone off to find the items. Little tip here, make sure that there's speakers on. You can go, time's up. And once everybody's back, it's time to display what they have found. And you can go through them one by one. That might take a long time. You lose a bit of the energy. It's supposed to be an energizer, remember? So one way I do this, I just go through the list and people show them one by one. One thing could be something that is alive. People have different interpretations of that. They might have brought a plant with them. They might have brought whatever their partner in the picture, whatever it is. I could just bring my Bruce Springsteen album because the boss is alive and well.
Is there anybody alive out there?
And before somebody in the comment section goes,
So how do you know which one's right, which one's wrong?
it's just a game. The goal is to have a bit of fun. I'm sure you can do that together. Together as a group, you decide which one's lame and which one isn't. And at the end, you tally up, and who has most of the items of the list wins a prize. Yeah, and if you want more, there's a whole list here, right? Different activities that you can run with your team to make sure that people's energy stays up. It's like food. It's like mental food, like fun little, anyway, a whole bunch of them.